Welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you ever wonder how to manage your income without feeling restricted? Today, I'll share a simple yet powerful framework, the 50-30-20 budget rule, that can transform your financial life. Brief overview of the 50-30-20 rule. It's all about allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investments. Outline the video. We'll cover how it works, how to customize it to suit your financial goals, and tips to make it a part of your lifestyle. What is the 50-30-20 budget rule? Define the rule. 50% needs, essentials like housing, groceries, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. 30% wants, discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, or vacations. 20% savings, investments, emergency funds, retirement accounts, debt payments, and other wealth-building activities. This rule provides a clear structure to manage your money efficiently without overcomplicating it. Breaking down the categories, one needs 50% list. Examples: rent, mortgage, food, insurance, transportation. Tip: if your needs exceed 50%, look for ways to cut back, like downsizing or switching to more affordable options. 2. Wants, 30%. Explain the importance. Wants add joy and flexibility to your life. It's okay to spend here, just don't go overboard. Tip: use a spending tracker to distinguish wants from needs. 3. Savings or investments, 20%. Explain the importance of building an emergency fund and contributing to retirement or other investments. Highlight debt repayment. Paying off high-interest debt falls under this category. It's an investment in your future. Why is the 50-30-20 rule effective? Simplicity and flexibility. It's straightforward and doesn't require detailed tracking of every dollar. Encourages balance. It ensures you're covering essentials, enjoying life, and saving for the future. Improves financial health. Consistent budgeting builds discipline and helps achieve long-term goals like homeownership or early retirement. Customizing the rule to your goals. Adjust the percentages. If saving for a big goal, shift from wants to savings. Maybe go for a 40-20-40 split. Regional and income differences. High cost of living areas might require a higher needs allocation. Adjust as necessary while maintaining balance. Life stages. In your 20s, you might allocate more to wants, but as you grow older, prioritize savings. Staying consistent with budget tracking tools and apps. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track expenses automatically. Automation. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts right after payday. Monthly review. Spend 30 minutes each month reviewing your budget and making necessary adjustments. Accountability. Share your goals with a partner or friend to stay motivated. Common challenges and solutions. Struggling to stick to 50% needs. Prioritize cutting unnecessary subscriptions or negotiating bills. Overspending on wants. Implement a cooling-off period for non-essential purchases. Irregular income. Base your percentages on an average of the last 3 to 6 months' income to stabilize your budget. Conclusion. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful way to simplify budgeting, prioritize savings, and enjoy your hard-earned money. Call to action. Start by reviewing your last 3 months of expenses and see how they align with this rule. Share your budgeting journey in the comments. I'd love to hear your insights and tips. End with encouragement. Remember, financial freedom is a journey. With small, consistent steps like this, you're well on your way to achieving it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your money and building wealth. See you in the next video.